Good morning, children. Now, in the last class, we have done about the degrees of comparison. Yes, what are the three degrees of comparison? How are they made? The degrees of comparisons are done with the adjectives. They are of three: positive, comparative, and superlative. In the positive degree, we are going to talk about only one person. In the comparative, we are going to talk about two persons. And in the superlative, we are going to highlight only one person. In the comparative degree, we are going to use ER, whereas in the superlative degree, we are going to use ST. Understood, Nana? Up to here you have understood? Yes. Now, in that, we have done the practice zone 2 in the page number 122. Page number 122, we have completed practice zone. Understood? Practice zone 2 we have completed, Roman number 1 and 2. Now we will be coming to the third one. That is, circle the adjectives in the given sentences and state the degrees. Circle the adjectives in the given sentences and state their degrees. First one, 3. 1, 2, 3 page number. Understood? The first one. She gave birth to a healthy child. She gave. You are going to identify the type of a degree. She gave birth. B-I-R-T-H birth to a healthy child. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y healthy. C-H-I-L-D child. Okay, Nama? So in this, you are going to circle the adjective. You are going to circle the adjective. This is healthy. Okay, Nana? Which type of a degree it is? Positive. P-O-S-I-T-I-V-E. Positive. Okay, Nana? Positive. 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 Okay. Next one. Second one. Shreya is better in studies. Second one. S-H-R-E-Y-A Shreya. I-S is B-E-T-T-E-R better. I-N in. S-T-U-D-I-E studies. Dan Rahul, D-H-A-N Dan, R-A-H-U-L Rahul. Here, which type of a degree it is? Here, Dan is used. And automatically, if you see Dan in the sentence, you are going to write as comparative, better. Circle the better, C-O-M-P-A-R-A-T-I-V, comparative. Okay, Nana? Then third one. There are 11 players in the cricket team. There are, T-H-E-R-E, there, A-R-E-R, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11 players, P-L-A-Y-E-R-S, players, I-N in the cricket team. Cricket team. So here the adjective is 11. That is your positive degree only. Positive. P-O-S-I-T-I-V-E. Positive. Okay, next. D. Fourth one. The bicycle is new. The B-I-C-Y-C-L-E bicycle is new. Which type of degree it is? New is your adjective. So, positive degree. P-O-S-I-T-I-V-E. Positive. Now, fifth one. The bag is, B-A-G, bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. Heavy is your adjective. Which type of a degree, Nana? Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Positive. Positive. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Next one. Next. F. That is the sixth one. He is funniest clown I have ever seen. He is funniest. 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 CLOWN clown. Funniest clown I have ever seen. He is the funniest clown I have ever seen. See the funniest. Funniest ketika. Funniest is your adjective. The word is ending with the ST. So, ST will come in which degree? Superlative. 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 Okay, Nana? Next one. Let's make the early rain. Seventh one. Let's make. So let's take the early early train. TRAIN train. Early is your adjective. Which type of degree it is? Positive. PYSITIV. Positive. Okay, Nana? Now see this one. Next one, eighth one. Now see here. In the third one, what we have seen? We have seen that we are circling the adjectives. We have circled the adjectives and we have identified the type of a degree. Now we'll see the sentences. Correct these sentences he has given. You are going to correct the sentences, given sentences. Okay, Nana? Fourth one, point 4, Roman 4. Correct these sentences. A1. Correct these. Correct these sentences. First one, Delhi is more, M-O-R-E, more, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger than Bhopal, bigger than Bhopal. See here, Nana, here's the name of the place, that's why we have written the capital letter. And here, see the answer here. Delhi, is it right? Delhi is more bigger than Bhopal. One thing we are going to remove, that is more, because it's not big word. It's only a short word. It's not a big word. It's a short word. So we are going to write it as what it will be if it's a short word. ER is used or EST. Delhi is bigger than BIGGER. Bigger than Bhopal. 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 Okay na? B. Now see the B one. Green vegetables are more healthy than chocolate. Green vegetables are more, M-O-R-E, more, H-E-A-L-T-H-O-A-L-D, than chocolate, C-H-A-L, than, C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S, chocolates. Okay, now answer is healthy ఉంది కాబట్టి వైట్ ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. వైట్ ఇచ్చేసి ఐ పెట్టి ఈఆర్ పెట్టచ్చు, ఈఎస్టీ పెట్టచ్చు. మోర్ హెల్దీ అన్నారు కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి? మనం గ్రీన్ వెజిటేబుల్ మోర్ హెల్దియర్ దాన్. గ్రీన్ వెజిటేబుల్స్ ఆర్ గ్రీన్ VEGETABLES vegetables are more healthier than HEALTHIER, more healthier than chocolate, CHOCOLATES. అర్థమైందమ్మా? more healthier, more అన్న యూస్ ఓకే, బట్ healthy, more healthy అనకూడదు, more healthier compared to degree, because here we are comparing green vegetables and the chocolates. So two things we have taken into the consideration. So here we have taken the green vegetables and chocolate, that's why we are using ER here. Okay, Nana. Next, I will write C here. C. A silver ring is more costlier than a copper ring. A silver, S-I-L-V-R, silver ring is more costlier than a copper ring. Okay na? Answer is a silver ring is costlier than a silver ring is costlier than costlier, C-O-S-T-L-I-A, costlier than a copper ring. Okay, number third one. Okay, silver. Here again two things are compared, that's why we are using comparative degree here. Okay, comparative degree we are using costlier than a copper ring. Now see the fourth one. Fourth one, amma. The winters in a hill station is worse than in a city. The winters I and in a hill, in a hill station in a hill station is WORSER lesser than in a city. Than in a city. Answer. The winters in a hill station is WORST worst than than in a city. Worse than in a city. Okay nama, ఇక్కడ కూడా 2 degrees కంపేర్ చేశారు. ఓకే సారీ 2 ప్లేసెస్ని కంపేర్ చేశారు కాబట్టి దాని వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ చూడండి, లాస్ట్ వన్ బట్ ద లీస్ట్. Next, E. Jack is more helpfuller than his brother. Answer. Jack is more helpfuller than his brother. Jack is more helpful than his brother. ఓకేనమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ ఓకే, ఇది కంప్లీట్ చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ అది మామూలుగా డూ అండ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ నేను పెట్టేస్తాను. ఓకేనా, కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ దీన్ని బట్టి మనకైంది. ఇంకో డూ అండ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ ఉందామా, అది కూడా వాట్సాప్లో పెడతానండి. రైట్, ఏమన్నా అడిగినాం? ఫ్రమ్ 2 teams A and B, select the leader of your team. On a sheet of paper, each team will write 5 fill in the blank sentences. The blank spaces are to be filled with the correct form of the adjective suitable for each statement given in the sheet. Once the 2 teams have written the answers, the leaders of the 2 teams can announce the answer. ఓకేనా. ఇది ఒక సెంటెన్స్ రాద్దాం. ఇది అందరూ ఉంటే జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా. ద పెయిర్ ఆఫ్ షర్ట్స్ ఆర్ చీపర్ దెన్ ప్యాంట్స్. సంజు's score is higher than Raju. Harry is the tallest boy in the class. Harry. ఓకేనా, అండర్స్టూడ్. Yeah, so complete the work, and slowly I am writing in the video classes so that you can copy. And that's why more and more material is not given in the groups except the question and answers. Okay, next time also I will try to do the question answers in the video only. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Complete your work. We'll meet in the next class.